yeah. Sure. Listen, yeah, there you go. ऐसा शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो जाता है ये टाउन. तातो बेवाचिन शुरू कैंप जब सा बेतले बा. निंदुखा lapsa की place ना ru कैंप जबा. शुदो से शुदो. Tangri Chulo, Tangri. This is known as Tangri Chu.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never.
아니 왜 차르기 village Ninduka lamidi. We're gonna stay for 1-2 nights here. Camp outside and enjoy the moment, camping moment.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride.
야, 다들 다가나 타운 나스지 톰시 잡도 말해. 다가나 타운 쯤이데 야레 고추 아나친세. शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो जाता है ये टाउन. I've been here 2 times now. I think 3 times with this guy, you know. Check this out. 야, 쇼, 야, 쇼. 쇼, 야. Listen, yeah, there you go. That's right. Allah, 멈추라 스스로. 다시 뗀다 아니 뗀데. 야. Today I visited my friend's beautiful village in Dagana. Away from the busy town, village life offers peace, fresh air, and a strong connection with nature. It was a great experience to see how people live, work, and support each other as a community. Experiencing village life reminds us of the importance of simplicity, hard work, and preserving our traditions and culture. Sometimes the best memories are made in the quiet countryside, surrounded by nature and genuine hospitality. These are the cardamom plants that we planted. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Dagana. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.